What's up everybody, Daniel here. Today I have a nice unboxing for you. Today I'm going to unbox the iPad. This is the 16GB version, Wi-Fi only. And so let's get started. Okay, just cut the plastic off with my small scissors. Alright. Okay, now just slide up. Alright, the box, iPad, Apple logo, nothing here. Now we can pull this plastic off. Let's put the iPad here for a moment. Okay, designed by Apple in California. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, little instructions, simple instructions, paper, useless paper, and the nice stickers. Okay, now the charger, just like the iPhone charger, you just do that. Yeah, because of the plastic. Okay, USB to sync and charge, and nothing else in the box, as you might know. Okay, now let's go to the iPad itself. Okay, here we have the, it's pretty heavy. Here we have the earphone jack, microphone, lock button, lock and unlock, yeah, volume button, rocker actually, the unlock the string rotation, okay, the part where you put the USB, speakers, and there's nothing here. Only if it were the 3G model, it would have the little SIM spot here. Apple logo, 16GB, and that's all. So guys, thank you for watching. Follow me on Twitter, and I see you on my next video. Bye bye.